Today, you're going to be starting in your interactive notebook in section 10, which is the myth of Prometheus. And we are going to be rereading page 33 and 34. And this time, you're really looking for the details that help support an idea for your theme. So, yesterday, you started writing down the gist of things, but now we're going to be working on pulling in the theme of what we think it's mostly about. From there, in section 11, this is going to help start your thinking for building your analytical essay that you're going to be writing. So we're going to be working with the similar ideas that we've already worked on in the previous lessons. So on page 36, I have made a copy of section 6 where it had the key elements of mythology, but I put it right there so it's right where you might need it. And you're going to be looking back in Prometheus for some of these key elements. So you're going to be looking for something that might appear in Prometheus that might help you. Then in this page 37, you're going to be connecting elements from Prometheus to the key elements of mythology. So what did you find in the key elements of mythology? What specific quote or which specific element did you find? And you're just going to copy that in on page 37 up here where it says the key elements of mythology, and then you're going to find a quote from Prometheus and you're going to copy and paste it here. If you need help, you can refer back to pages 20 to 24 when we analyze Cronus. So that might help give you ideas or refresh your memory. And then down below, so what element of mythology in Prometheus did you find? So you're going to restate that in your own words. From there, what does the myth teach you about the elements of myth? So what are you supposed to learn? So write down your first draft theme idea, and then what details from Prometheus help support that. So you're going to fill all of that out, and if you need to take any more notes, you can, but really you're probably going to just fill it out here. From there, you're going to maybe copy some of this into page 38. So what is your initial idea for the theme of the myth? And then here's your details. So basically you're going to copy these and paste them on page 38 in that top part. So these, what I would suggest doing is direct quotes from Prometheus. And then down below here, you're going to be adding your thinking about this detail. So how is that connected to the theme? And then from down here is how am I going to connect these details together to help support my theme? And then at the bottom here, you're going to state your claim is what is my theme? So on this page, if you need help, you can refer back to page 29 where we did these earlier with Cronus. And then I have a blank on page 30, but this is the area you're going to start building. So you're going to fill out these graphic organizers to help your thinking about how you're going to be writing your analytical essay on Prometheus. When you are done, I want you to submit your interactive notebook to Canvas for feedback from your instructor.